It comes up. I'm still trying to get my head round it all.
Check it out, man. Oh. That is nice. Check out this super clean dash cam install by SB88. It's the Nextbase 322GW. That's the camera there. It runs through there, into the car. Quickly look inside of the car. It's quite nice in here, and there's no wires to be seen. Okay, put a torchlight on. Maybe that will help. Nah, it doesn't. But you can see there's no wiring to be seen anywhere. Okay. The interior. Got the bucket seats and a 14-inch screen TV or something like that. Once again, no wires anywhere to be seen. Okay, here's the dash cam. Yeah, and that's the only wires that you can see just tucked up in there. After that, there's nothing else left to be seen. The fuse box is just down here. Maybe that red wire is part of the dash cam wire in there. Okay. But nothing else. Alright guys, I don't even think I got the keys for the car. But anyway, I'm out. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Woo. It's cold, so we don't want to get him to road too much, but yeah, it's a beast, man.